Kanong ba shalong kalayo saya kaway ka Jaka di Shaka ka Thymmai jong ka company ka bana Japan ka Honda ka bala ai kerteng da ka Honda Shadap ka badan hamau blay ka badai try da uba bhaku par Shadap bala Plie ha ka apa artarik ujel liu arajar arpusau ka singi jan kani ka dei ka dealership ka baningkong hanong ba shalong Meghalaya bala Plie ha ka jingdon ringkat u Yogesh Mathur director sales and marketing Honda motorcycles and scooter India uba bhaku par Shadap bat ka longyeng ki staff bat kiway Hagani ka sni Plie kila IT sendon ru ya ka ka tuk bat ka ka scooty shaki customer balathiet yakini ki Shaka hagani ka sni hagani ka company ki don baro saujat ki model haka scooty ka activa bat dio ka bashis pa shi sisi bat kumju ka activa bat dio ka bashis pa rusan sisi Kat bah ka motorcycle ki dan kendai jat ki model nadu ki bashis pa shi sisi hadu ki ba ars pa sisi haba keren sekilat pathai khubor umathur ulapan pau ya ka jingkamen ka bashi kat dei banyo Plie ya kani ka showroom de Shaka baningkong jong ka company Honda hanong ba shlong bat ka dealership ka ba arpusan ha ka than chate lamingi jong ka ri India kumju na kaliang uba bhaku par Shadap ulapan pau ya ka jing snow komen banyo Plie ya kani ka showroom Honda ka ba ula ang nuot laslem bah Uwer bat kentu ya ki pat ba baken phai khmat ban thiet yakini ki Shaka ki scooty bat ki thok ki balong ki mar ki ba bhakat kum ka jinglap jong i kum ubrio ubadan ru ki wei ki showroom de kali ha kanong ba
When we are starting our new journey in Meghalaya by inaugurating our first dealership of Meghalaya, Shadap Honda. So, congratulations to Shadap. Meghalaya is a very important state for us, and especially in the northeast. We are expanding our footprint, and with our current lineup of the product, we are very much sure that we will be definitely exciting all the customers here. And this is first dealership in Meghalaya and 25th dealership in the northeast of India. So we are starting this journey, and Mr. Shadap is a local person here, and he is a very known businessman, and he has got a lot of good customer base available here in his previous businesses, and we are sure that all the customers of Honda will definitely get a lot of good experience both in sales as well as in the service here, because he is a person who is always keen to provide best of the services to the customers. So along with the quality of the product, the best of the services can also be derived from the Shadap Honda. So we congratulate him and wish him the wonderful journey ahead. Thank you so much. We not had any previous assignment here. Maybe during previous company of Hero Honda, at that time probably you must have seen it. But as a Honda, this is the first dealership which we have inaugurated today.
Can you tell your expectations on your market in Meghalaya?
See, Northeast is very different market than rest of the Indian market, and the customer like here very attractive kind of a product. And in the current lineup of our all product range, we have enough of the range available which can really excite all the customers here in Shillong and entire Meghalaya. And our expectations is very huge, and certain part of Northeast we are already enjoying almost 50% of the market share. So we are looking forward to have the similar kind of feat here in Meghalaya as well once we are starting today.
What you understand market share of
You're right. People prefer such kind of a good power and pickup vehicle here along with good style. So our lineup is having almost all the range available of our product, and we are sure that once the customer take a ride of these bikes, they will be very much happy in terms of the performance of the vehicle, and we are sure that they will definitely start loving Honda brand.
how is the market compared to other parts of India and Northeast specific?
So Northeast currently is a very challenging market because, as I said, we have only this is the 25th dealership in Northeast. So geography and topography of this entire state and the country is very different and difficult for us to expand right now. But wherever we have expanded, we have got very good response across all the northeastern state. And this year, we have already increased our market share by around 5% within first 2 months itself. So once the supplies are increased from our side, the acceptability of the product is getting very good, and we are expecting that within this year we will become number one in the entire Northeast. As unique selling point is concerned, I think we will only say that rather than we speak anything about our product, we would invite all our customers and potential customers to come, take a test ride, and feel the product on their own. We need not to talk too much about our products because wherever we have launched, we have got very good response. Like I said, Manipur, almost having 50%, 44%, 55% market share we already enjoy. So in hill stations, what is more important is in terms of the pickup, the initial pickup and the power of the vehicle, and which is best in the class in the entire range of the product. So we have got 100cc till 1800cc of the product. Currently, Shadap Honda will be delivering till 200cc, from 100cc to 200cc, and this entire portfolio has got very attractive features which is best in the overall class along with the best in the mileage also. So not only feature, with the performance, the mileage also plays a big role here because the fuel prices are going to the roof, and within that particular thing, if the mileage is good, performance is good, style is good, I think everything we'll talk about from the test ride which customers will take.
What about the cost? What about the cost? Starting cost on
Starting cost?
like,
Yeah, so we have got starting cost, ma'am, which we have is for Shine 100, which starts close to around 66,000 some hundred rupees.
Yes.
Exact we will let you know. So this is the starting for motorcycle, and for scooters the starting range is for Dio 110, which will be close to around 70,000 rupees. The exact prices we will be telling it. The on-road prices which will be more important for you to consider and publish it.
So one last question. What about the finance?
Yeah, so finance plays a major role, and we have seen in last few years, preferences of the people has shifted towards more towards finance part, and pan India our finance ratio is close to around 55-56%, and we are expecting almost similar kind of finance here. And today we just inquired, there are 5 finance partners who have already started business here, and they are, one of them are the local bank, MRB Bank. So MRB Bank is a local bank. Apart from that, we have got IDFC, we have got Chola, we have got Tata Capital, Shriram. So these are the players which will be, and as well as Bajaj Finance. So they are all available here. So a lot of good finance schemes are available to all the customers, and they can definitely take benefit of attractive finance offers which we currently have at our dealerships.
Thank you so much, sir.
Short but tough questions. I'll explain in Khasi. Hỏi cái question của bạn quá. Rằng mà cùng businessman iron kami man Q nang Singapore. Thì ngihapan Pedro ya model company Philippine Hibaro Honda one of the number one company in India to list at kung meeting siam junga. Thì ngasiam ki product jong kiru kilong ngam kon dem iki weiru ki bangala di ya kata kilong laga jong kajing internal laga jong kajing bah laga jong kajing ka size jong ka scooty thì là này ka bike mà page but hadin mangila sim ya ni siam baru ngitip Honda India company was D bahai gitu las. But kibiri become jet bahai. Kam tam langi pe jaga jaga bahasa South Indian ru jaga bah shit kat no ru kimjur ko tak overheat ken ta kiyai ba. Te ngi hasilong ru isa ngi akwa aslam ni kan ya. Te aden bat company ga kamlah man ai mar ba ibun ki jing cek ta ki yang be dei bat ga mar kamlong sutui kan mar one company kam pe je. Arang Islam man rai ka te awi nganum la man ong ban kon dia mi be mo ngan ki bo ko mar ba ki jong ngai bro ko ba tanga ngai ba naru ibon no bes ngai ka bi kes mar bro ru kin se wa ban ya be le mi ki pro jo tanga ta ko